How many types of gopis were there? 300, 360 types, 380 types of gopis. 396. I'll translate. 96. 360, that's right, I got it right. So it's 360 types of gopis. There is some Sakya and there is some Parakya. Kanaka means? Kanaka Kumaris, right? Kanaka means unmarried gopis. So if we don't know this, then we will not be able to understand. They want to move a little bit. Mugdha Pralapa. So this is so in Ujjwal Nilmani they've shown us different types of Naikas, heroines, and different type heroines. There are different types of hero and different types of heroines.
We took it last time too much prasad. That was already like 3 o'clock. Yeah. 4 o'clock.
मथुरा से ट्रेन से जाएंगे.
No, they're going by taxi to Delhi now.
चिराग का
मथुरा से ट्रेन जाती है.
मथुरा से दिल्ली जाती है ना.
मथुरा में उसकी स्टॉप है.
नहीं, उससे नहीं, मथुरा से दिल्ली जाएगा ट्रेन, फिर दिल्ली से जाएगा. सुबह निकलेगा वो अर्ली मॉर्निंग. ट्रेन से जा रहा है.
अच्छा नीचे क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर क्या
What's happening downstairs and you're sitting here? Somebody go and check.
Could you check that the Harikatha downstairs what they're doing? नायक प्रकरण और
Naika Parak.
96 प्रकार के नायक.
There are 360 types of Naikin, 360 types of heroines, and 120 types of heroes. 96 types of heroes and 360 types of heroines. In some gopis' heart, it is Sakyata heart, bhav, and in some gopis, it is Parakya bhav. Some gopis, it's also showed that some gopis exchange the garlands with Krishna. So actually this marriage is not regarded as proper marriage. Why? Because when, according to the Shastra, when the marriage ceremony happens, there is some rules and regulations. Both the grooms, you need witness people. This fire is a witness. You need people who are witness, and the parents have to be there as well. So if you go to the mandir and you exchange the garland, that is not proper marriage. That is called Gandharva marriage. So this Gandharva Vivaha, so this exchange of the garland, but that is not regarded as proper marriage ceremony. So we cannot say that's marriage. You can get 2 types of certificates from the university, and if you didn't go to school and you studied in private institution and you pass, you gave the exam and you passed the exams, but it's not regarded as a Yeah, it's not approved by the government. You have to go to school regularly. You have to pay attendance in school, and then only then when you pass your exams, then get certificate, then that is regarded as an actual certificate. So similarly, this Gandharva marriage is not actually proper marriage. Then some people can get married like this, just exchange the garlands, and they say, oh, we don't have to spend so much money for wedding. There is a kirtan. So they say, you know, at night, in one night, we won't invite anyone and we'll get married. But that's not marriage.
You are going also? Going now. Okay, tomorrow train. Okay, go quick. Yes.
Yeah, run, don't miss the trains.
जो जा रहे हो बोले जल्दी जाओ। ऐसे ट्रेन छूट जाएगी। जो आ रहे हैं बोले धीरे-धीरे आओ।
धीरे-धीरे आओ. Somebody who is coming, come slowly. But somebody who is going, go quickly. Otherwise, you'll miss your train.
जो जा रहे हैं उसके क्या बोल रहे हैं? जल्दी जाओ।
Why they have to tell them go quickly? Isn't that true? Give some water. Party. Water, give water to him, na? No, Gurudev. That's why Gandharva Viva weddings in Kali Yuga is not given any recognition. Sambar Viva. You select your own husband. So like Drupadi, that is called Sambar Viva. In the Shastras, it's written in the scriptures. What's written in the scriptures, that's what we have to believe in and follow. So some gopis vow Sakhya, and in some gopis' heart there was Parakya vow. The Sakhya vow, the marriage, they could not participate in the Ras Leela. So the gopis who had Sakhya vow in their heart, Yogmaya didn't arrange them to participate in the Ras. They had no permission to enter the Ras. So the one who can be only take permission to go to Ras, if the gopis they didn't have Parakya vow, then Yogmaya will not arrange them to be part of the Ras. So Vishwamana Chakravarti Thakur is writing, so the gopis who got married and who have children, and Yogmaya will not even give any permission, will not give them adhikar to enter the Ras. To enter the Ras, there are very strict rules and regulations for it. So these gopis who have had children, Yogmaya will not allow them to enter Ras Leela. Krishna played the flute. And when he played the flute, some gopis went, and some gopis were stopped by their husbands. And what did these gopis do? So these gopis who were stopped, the husbands stopped them and they locked the door. But here the Yogmaya arranged something. Yogmaya arranged. So these the gopis had so much anurag, so much deep attachment with Krishna. So they participated in the Ras Leela with their Atma body. आत्मा शरीर।
रहस्य है ये जरूरी नहीं उसी ब्रह्मांड में क्यों प्रवेश करेंगे, हो सकता है दूसरी ब्रह्मांड में जो में हम प्रवेश करें।
So in this Brahmand, they are,
साधारण विधि होता है
or they
पुत्र
mean
संतान आदि होने पर
so in if gopis have children,
दिव्य स्वरूप आदि।
then Jiva Goswami part is writing they cannot take
और
part in
दूसरी
the
जगह
rasa.
गोपियों की कोई स्त्री धर्म धर्म ही नहीं।
So there's some gopis who then they have even also have husbands.
लौकिक जगत में देखा
According
जाता
to
है
the material
किंतु
world,
अपराधिक जगत में ये सब विधि ये सब नहीं है,
so
क्योंकि उनके शरीर
in
अपराधिक चित्त शरीर है।
so according in the
इस
transcendental
जगत
world,
में हमारे
these
शरीर
gopis
के
have
विकारशील शरीर का है। क्या शरीर?
transcendental chit body.
पंचभौतिक शरीर है।
And here in material world, our bodies are made of 5 elements, 5 gross
विकार
elements.
समय
Vikar, transformation.
सत्व रजत सत्व रजत तमो
There are 3 modes of nature.
छवि होता है।
So our chit is according to the modes of 3 nature.
जिस मतलब गोपियों की
So-
शरीर
So
अपराधिक है।
the gopis who have transcendental bodies, they
माया के किसी प्रकार ये
they-
प्रभाव नहीं डाल सकते।
the Maya cannot touch them.
माया के प्रभाव
The Maya,
ऊपर किसी प्रकार डाल
they
नहीं सकते।
no,
मतलब क्या?
the Maya
माया
cannot
के
touch them.
सत्व रजत तम गुण
So the Maya, the 3 modes of nature of the Maya, the mode of ignorance, mode of passion, and mode of goodness will not touch the transcendental bodies of gopis.
भगवान श्री हरि
Bhagavan Sri Hari and his abode, his place is far away from the 3 modes of nature.
सत्व रजत तम गुण के वो
The 3 modes of nature, it's beyond, it's far away, it's beyond the 3 modes of nature. So there is no Maya cannot touch.
और जिस वक्त गोपियां अभी
So these gopis who were didn't take part in this bhajan sadhan.
परिपक्वता लाभ नहीं। परिपक्वता क्या है?
Paripakata
वो भी
means
शरीर तो प्राप्ति किया।
Paripakata means the bodies, they got the body of the gopi. You cannot get this. You also need to have association of with the Nitya Siddha gopis.
नित्य सिद्धा गोपियों की जब तक संग नहीं हो रहा
If you don't have the sung association of the Nitya gopis,
उनके किसी प्रकार
then they cannot get any mercy. So in Prakat Leela,
नित्य सिद्धा
so the Nitya Siddha gopis, you need association, you need the shelter of Nitya Siddha gopis.
ये राधा आदि ललिता
So Radha and Lalita,
ये कात्यायनी व्रत नहीं की।
they did not do Katyani Vrat.
इसमें स्पष्टीकरण लिखा है। ठीक है।
In the Tika commentary, it's written Radha Vishaka.
ये लोग कात्यायनी व्रत
She
नहीं
said no.
हैं?
She's
किंतु कात्यायनी व्रत किसने
they
किया?
didn't do this Katyani
वो
Vrat.
साधन सिद्धा
Who observed the Katyani Vrats were the Sadhan Siddha gopis.
अंतिम समापन के दिन
But on the
ये
last
लोग
day,
नित्य गोपियों के ये लोग
on the last day of Katyani Vrat, they invited these Nitya Siddhis gopis.
अगोरत में क्यों आई?
And why did they invite Nitya Siddhas and why did they come? Why did they come? They came to give the association, a sangha of Nitya to the Sadhan Siddha gopis. So, in order to give Sadhan Siddha gopis, the Nitya Siddha Sakhis like Radhika, Lalita and Vishaka, they came to give that sangha. Until you don't get Nitya Siddha Sakhis association, you have to have Anurag, then you cannot achieve the bhav. They cannot achieve the bhav. That's why Yog Maya and Radha, Lalita and Vishaka, so they arranged them to have their association.
आप लोग जा रहे हैं कहाँ? फरीदाबाद, दिल्ली जा रहे हैं।
Everybody can please go to the
Huh?
class in the evening. Prashad.
हाँ प्रसाद जी।
हाँ
दे दो। हाँ दे दो, पीछे दे दो। क्या जाती है?
नहीं कहा मेरे ये क्या कह रहे हैं?
हाँ रास्पबेरी प्रो के दे दो। अरे नहीं ले नहीं पाओगे, खत्म हो गया कहाँ दे दो। जब है तब तक दे दो। इस जगत में सब सीमित है ना। हाँ? जब तक मेरे पास है तब तक मैं दे दे
Water to him. There must be a flask behind you.
मान भी दे गई थी ये,
हाँ?
मान भी दे गई थी, ये पकड़ो बहुत बेचारा।
राजू,
वो कहते 6 तारीख को आपसे अपन डायरी बट में ले लूंगी।
ये क्या है?
ये देने की बात है।
अच्छा जी। अच्छा ये सब इधर रखिए।
What is that?
हाँ ऊपर। टेबल पर रख दे। ऑन द टेबल। टेबल समझते हैं।
हाँ.
हाँ हाँ सबके प्रसाद मिल।
Everybody got prasad.
हाँ क्या बोला?
Association, Nitya, Sadhan, Siddhas,
नित्य सिद्धा
Nitya.
संग ही एक विशेष जरूरी है।
So it is very important to have the Sangha, association of Nitya Siddhas,
लोगों को
Sakhis.
आकर्षित करने के लिए।
So all the others is just to attract people.
और दूसरी भी ये भी है हमें
Also,
गोपियों की तरह
secondly,
शिक्षा भी देते हैं।
also we give
जल की
Siksha
अधिष्ठात्री
to
देवता की सम्मान देना
Siksha
चाहिए।
gopis.
सम्मानित ना हो।
So gopis is Siksha
और
for
बाकी ये
gopis,
सब
so
जो
they do
कथा जो है
respect.
वास्तव
So-
में देखा छोटी सी उनकी
So
मैं तो
all
लिखा
this
4
katha,
साल और 6 साल के
So-
बच्चे का लिखा है।
so in the katha it's
तो
written
उनकी
even
कपड़े के
for
बारे में क्या ये सब है।
a 4-year-old girls.
जो कथा जो बताया गया
The
उनकी विचार
katha,
करने के लिए। 4 साल
think
के
about
बच्चे में क्या
for
लज्जा
4-year-old,
दिखाई?
there is no shyness for a 4-year-old girl, is there?
वो बाकी जो कथा है लोग शिक्षा के लिए समाज
So
की
everything else is
समाज में
Siksha
कहीं
of the smart.
ये ना
Samaj
पड़
means the
जाए
society.
क्या बोले
Uh,
भ्रष्टाचार ना पड़ जाए
So for the
समाज दूषित ना
society,
हो जाए।
don't get in the wrong
अच्छा
direction.
मतलब 4 साल बच्चे
So-
6 साल बच्चे के उनसे
So 4-year-old girl or 6-year-old girl, so if they don't wear clothes, or then they don't
तो
have
ये
the
समझ के जो है
shyness.
वो भी निर्जन स्थान है उनको क्या होता है। तो ये समझते जो कथा है लोगों की शिक्षा आदि देने के लिए
Katha is just for the
विशेष जो है
for the local Siksha, for the local people. But actually, it is the main point. The main point is to have that association of Nitya Siddhas.
इसमें जो बता रहे
Here,
इसमें जो वस्त्रहरण लीला
in the Vastaharan Leela,
में
Leela, Vastahari Leela,
समाज
the,
कहीं
in
गंदी
the
भाव न करे।
society, the bad things don't, the message doesn't go past.
पाद लिखते हैं
So Srila Rupa Swami is writing
कृष्ण लीला की
in Krishna Leela,
नरवत लीला
one is Narvat
एक
Leela,
है
like
राजकुमार लीला
one like human like Leela, and one is Rajkumar Leela, like a king, and then one is like a Dev Leela. Narvat Leela, Narvat Leela like human being, Raj Leela, and Dev Leela. Then Rajkumari Leela like the king.
जैसे संभ्रांत कुल में जन्म
So
लेने पर
Rajkumar
राम
means
जी के घर में
you have
जन्म
taken
लेने
birth in the
और
royal
उनके
family,
शरीर हृष्ट-पुष्ट होता है।
and his body is really beautiful and like
ऐसा ही
healthy.
नहीं होता। ये स्वाभाविक रूप में देखा जाए
So you can see
हो भी
that
सकता है। एक्सेप्शनल केस हो सकता है।
even externally you can see.
साधारण रूप में देखा
So
जाए
if you look
जी
in ordinary
संभ्रांत
way,
संभ्रांत कुल समझ में आती नहीं है। खान पीन घर में बहुत अच्छी घी
because why they get nice butter, ghee,
बहुत अच्छी तरह से
दूध,
पुष्टिकर
milk,
भोजन आदि जो करते
they
हैं
eat very healthy.
उनके शरीर कैसे होते हैं?
So their body is going to be healthy. It's like really good and healthy.
लंबे
Like
चौड़े
they'll
होते
have
हैं।
tall bodies, you know,
जैसे
big
पंजाब के
bodies.
तरफ जो होता है
So if you go to
climate भी
Punjab,
है,
so it depends also on the
खान पीन
climate,
है,
the
दूध
food,
से लेकर के दही से
they
लेकर के
from
सब
milk
प्रकार
to
के
yogurt
लोग
to
लंबे लंबे होते हैं
in Punjab,
हरियाणा
people
पंजाब
Haryana,
मोटे मोटे होते हैं
people are like
लंबा
tall
होता है
and big body.
कुछ भी छोटा भी है किंतु साधारण
There are also short people, but majority of them are tall.
हट्टे गट्टे होते हैं
They're like big
5
bodies.
साल के बालक आपके लगेगा
Even if you look at
12 साल के
5-year-old boy,
12 साल
5-year-old
के
boy
बालक
will
आपको
look like a
लगेगा
12-year-old boy,
20 साल
and a
के
12-year-old boy will look like a 20-year-old boy.
क्योंकि इसमें कहा
Why?
जाता है
Because this.
इसलिए जब गोस्वामी
So
पाद उसकी
here,
उदाहरण दे
Goswami
रहे
is
हैं। एक
giving an
भगवत
example.
लीला
So one is
एक है
Narot Lila,
कुमार लीला
one is
क्या बोला
Rajkumar.
राजकुमार लीला
One is Rajkumar Lila, so who's taken birth in a royal family, whose body is very like really healthy and big body.
और तीसरी
And third is
देव लीला
Dev Lila.
देव लीला की तत्व
In the
देवता
what is
लोग
the
किस
Dev Lila?
देवता लोग अपनी इच्छा के अनुसार शरीर बना लेते
So in Dev Lila means the demigods, according to their desire, manifest the
हैं।
body.
चित्रपट में जो गोपियों की
So in the pictures, you can see that the gopis.
4 साल 6 साल के लड़की पे कितने विकसित शरीर कैसे हो
So we say 4-year-old girl. How can 4-year-old girl have a big
यहाँ पर
body?
कृष्ण लीला के लिए
So
योग
for
माया
Krishna Leela, only for Krishna Leela, Yog Maya
देव लीला आदि करा देते
arranged a Dev Leela.
हैं इष्ट पुष्ट शरीर आदि
So like even if they're 4-year-old, their bodies look big.
हमारे चित्त
That is arrangement by Yog Maya.
नाते हम उसको
With our mind, with our material body,
किंतु वास्तव उनके
We-
शरीर चिन्मय शरीर है।
we take it like that
भगवान
with our
की
material,
लीला
but
पुष्टि
actually
करने के लिए
their
लीला
body
शक्ति
is
ये सब अधिक करा देते हैं।
transcendental, Chinmay Sari. Their body is transcendental.
अधिकार विशेष से इस
According to the qualification,
जो जैसे अधिकारी होते हैं
whoever
अपने
is
अधिकार
qualification,
के
according to the qualification, they understand.
इसलिए किंतु वास्तव तात्पर्य
But
यह है
actually,
कि नित्य सिद्धांत
this Nitya Siddha gopis, actually that is for
राधा ललिता
to
इनके
get the Sangha, association of Nitya Siddha Lila. Until they don't get Nitya Siddha Sakhi's Lali's association like Radha Lalita and
और दिया
Vishaka,
लोक शिक्षा के
they will
अनुसार
not be able to participate in the Ras Leela.
ये आप लोग ये जो
So,
जो काम कर रहे हैं ये उचित नहीं
What you are doing is not right.
वस्त्रहीन होकर जल में
So-
स्नान करना ये ठीक
So
नहीं
he's saying, Krishna is
भगवान
saying
ये
that
तो बता दिया
you take a bath naked without clothes is not right, it's not correct.
सब सिद्धि कर चुके हैं मेरे प्रति अभिष्ट होने के नाते आप लोग की सब प्रकार के
So you have to not
जड़ीय भाव दूर हो जाए
your body.
क्योंकि भगवान में कोई अभिष्ट हो जाए
So somebody who is so absorbed in Bhagwan,
अपने आप चले
then the material absorption automatically goes away.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं
So
भगवान कृष्ण
The
उसने दो
भगवान-
उदाहरण दिए
he gives two examples.
गेहूं अथवा
So like a wheat, seed of a wheat or
गर्म
a
पानी में यदि उबाल दिया
or
जाए
a gown wheat, you soak it in the water,
जमीन में बो दिया जाए
soak it in the water and boil it, and
अंकुरित नहीं होगा
then put the seed in the ground. It will not sprout.
तात्पर्य क्या है
So
भगवान में कोई यदि संपूर्ण
what is the purpose
अभिष्ट
here?
हो जाए,
So somebody who gets totally
तो
absorbed in
उदाहरण के
Bhagwan,
लिए जड़ीय भावना अपने आप
so this material bhav will automatically
बचिता गतिता
will
धाना
be destroyed
बीजना
or will
से
go away far away.
बचिता गतिता धान धान अथवा
Dhan,
गेहूं के यदि
gehu, like any
उबाल दिया जाए,
grain,
पानी में भर-
and you
पानी में
boil
उबाल दिया
it,
जाए,
and you boil any
फिर
grain,
उसको भून लिया जाए,
and
तो
then
कभी
you remove the water,
अंकुरित नहीं होगा।
that seed
उसी
will
प्रकार
never
से
sprout.
भगवान करें।
So here
ये
Bhagwan
मेरे
is
प्रति
saying,
जो प्रगाढ़
so
उदार
similarly,
होने के नाते,
who is anurag in
आप
me,
लोग
with
के
me,
हृदय में तो किसी जो संसार की है, किसी प्रकार जड़ीय भाव नहीं।
so then you will not have any this material
मर जाओ,
material attachments.
ये कह दिया।
You will have no that
इसलिए
material
आप
bow.
लोग की जो है मनोवांछा जो चिंतन करके आप
So
लोग इन्हें
whatever you are
आप
doing,
लोगों ने ये पूजा
meditative
की,
chintan,
इसको पूजा किया।
these gopis, they did
अष्टानी की
Katyani
पूजा किया,
worship.
दर्शन किसको मिला?
Then whose
भगवान
darshan
को
did they
दर्शन।
met? They got darshan of
कत्यानी
Bhagwan.
जोग माया।
Katyani
क्योंकि
is a
जोग
Yog
की
Maya.
कृपा से ही
By
हम
the mercy of Yog Maya,
भगवान के दर्शन करते हैं।
we can get darshan of
आज
Bhagwan.
जब तक जोग माया की कृपा नहीं हो,
If we don't get the kripa of a Yog Maya, then we will not be able to take darshan of Bhagwan. That's why he's saying
आप लोग मैं बोल
that
देता
he's
हूँ,
saying to them
ये
that
अगले शरद पूर्णिमा में आप लोग
I
की सारी
promise you
मनोवांछा
that
मैं
in
पूरा करूँ।
next
अब महाराज जी क्या
next
अभी क्या
next
प्रोग्राम
year
नीचे जा-
you will fulfill your desires. I will fulfill your desires.
अच्छा 10-15 मिनट बाद इसलिए भगवान
That's why
ये
Bhagwan,
जो है विचार दिखाए।
that's what he's saying.
किंतु अगले
But
पूर्णिमा जो है,
then the next Purnima,
अगले पूर्णिमा में
next Purnima,
इंद्र जो है
the Indra, what did he
रजमेश
do?
उपद्रव मचाया।
What did he do? Indra
भीमसेन
caused
भगवान
this
जानबूझ करके
this rainfall. You know, Indra.
इंद्र के जो है पूजा बंद कर दिया।
So what did
इंद्र पूजा
Krishna
बंद कर दी।
stopped
कई
this
कारण आचार्य
Indra
मान लेते हैं।
puja.
एक
So
तो ब्रजवासी
so
जन
there's
कृष्ण
many
के
reasons
स्वरूप
why he
की
did this.
मुक्त प्रकाश कहा जाता है। क्या बताया?
So one is
कृष्ण के
so
स्वरूप की मुक्त
Krishna's
प्रकाश
Swarup
है।
Shakti is the Prakash, is the Prakash of Krishna's Swarup.
जैसे नंद जसोदा
So like Nanda, Jashoda and Gopala,
आदि इस
the Saka and
कृष्ण से
Radha,
माना जाता है।
they are manifestations of
ये मानो
Krishna.
शुद्ध सत्य की साक्षात
They are
प्रकाश ही
the
कहा जाता है।
Prakash of Krishna.
आनंद चिन्मय जो
They are
विराट
Ananda
सदैव
Chinmayi.
निज रूप दया कला भी स्वयं कृष्ण की
So they are also part. Swarup, they are the Prakash of Swarup Prakash
ये लोग
of
श्रेष्ठ है,
Krishna.
इंद्र श्रेष्ठ है।
Then who is superior? Indra or the
ये लोग
Brajvasis?
श्रेष्ठ है।
They are
नंद
the
जसोदा
Nanda
श्रेष्ठ है।
Jashoda are more
किंतु ये
superior
लोग श्रेष्ठ
than
होकर
Indra.
के इंद्र की पूजा आदि कर रहे हैं।
And they are superior, so why are they worshipping Indra then?
और
That is
इंद्र
not
भी
right.
इनकी पूजा भी
So,
स्वीकार कर रहे हैं।
so if Indra is also accepting the puja, that is also not correct. So Bhagwan is saying that is not correct. You should not worship. And Brajvasis, and the Brajvasis, Bhagwan is telling to Indra, this is not right. You are accepting their worship. And the Brajvasis are worshipping you with a humble mood. So that's why Krishna said you have to stop worshipping Indra. Bhagwan is how many? He's also showing that Bhagwan is only one, not many. So if there is only one Bhagwan, then you should only worship one Bhagwan. Then you should not need to worship demigods. And in Gita, Bhagwan is saying, so when you worship demigods, that is indirectly worship of me. But if you worship me directly, then this is not right. If somebody is doing worshipping a demigods with faith, that puja will reach where? That will reach to Bhagwan, Krishna. But ordinary people don't know this. This is not vidhi. That's why Bhagwan is saying to worship me directly. You don't need to worship them. You respect them. Why? Because you need to respect they are the servants of Bhagwan. The demigods and demigodesses are the servants of Bhagwan. So you don't need to worship them, but you respect them. So like in a house, all the servants, we give respect to servants, but we don't worship them. So if we start worshipping the servant as Bhagwan, then that is
वो गलत हो
not right.
आज समझिए
Am I not
इसलिए
doing it
भगवान
properly?
ही करे
Am I not doing it
जितने
properly?
भी देवियां जो है ये भगवान के सेवक सेविका है और उनकी जो स्वतंत्र रूप में पूजा करना ये गलत है इसलिए भगवान इसकी नहीं करे इसकी पूजा करना नहीं चाहिए
So Bhagavan is saying you should not
इसमें कहा
worship
जाता
him.
है बहुत ईश्वरवाद स्थापना हो गया
Otherwise, this is Bahut
और दूसरी हो
Ishwaravad,
गया क्या
worshipping many gods. Another point,
क्या होता है
what did I say?
अहम अहम प्रोपसनारे
Ahangraha Upasana.
अहम प्रोपसना मैं ही भगवान हूँ
If you think I am Bhagavan,
इंद्र आदि
like for
इंद्र
example
पूजा
Indra,
ग्रहण कर रहे हैं।
Indra is accepting the puja, so he's thinking he is God.
इंद्र पूजा ग्रहण कर रहे हैं
So he's accepting Indra puja,
तो
means
इसके
he's thinking
मतलब
he is
क्या
God.
है इंद्र भगवान समझ रहे हैं
Means Indra, he's thinking he
इंद्र
is
के
God
कर्तव्य
himself.
तो क्या है
What is the duty of
उनको
Indra?
बोलना चाहिए नहीं नहीं मैं भगवान
He should
नहीं
have said, no, 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 I'm not
भगवान
Bhagavan,
कौन
I'm
है
not God. Who is God is
मेरे इष्ट देव स्वयं
my
कृष्ण
worshipful
है
deity is
बोलना
Krishna.
चाहिए
He should have told
किंतु इंद्र
them, you know,
वो
like the
नहीं बोल
Vrajavasis. But
करके
Indra didn't say
और
this.
उन लोगों की
Instead,
ब्रजवासी की
he's
पूजा
accepting the
आदि
puja of the
आदि
Vrajavasis
लेकर
and the gift of the
अपने
Vrajavasis and enjoying himself,
अपने मत में डूबे हुए अहंकार ही नहीं
immersed in
करो।
his own pride. So
अहंकार
this is ahankar, means ego or
तो उसी
arrogance.
प्रकार ये दिखाए ये सारे देवताओं ये भगवान की सब इसलिए एक होता है अहम प्रवसना
So ahangraha upasana means, for example, if the demigods, they think they have this arrogance, thinking they are gods. This is called ahangraha upasana, is to think I am
मैं
Bhagavan.
तुम्हारी पूजा ले रहा हूँ
I am taking your puja. I
ये
am
हो गया
accepting your
अहम
worship.
प्रवसना है
This is ahangraha
पूजा
upasana.
लेना बुरी बात नहीं है
It's not bad to accept
किंतु
worship,
पूजा को क्या करना चाहिए
but when you accept worship, you have
लेकर
to
के
offer it
भगवान
ahead
में
to
समर्पित करना
Bhagavan.
चाहिए
You have to offer it to Bhagavan.
है? हाँ,
Do you understand?
किंतु इंद्र आदि देवता क्या किया
But Indra and demigods, what did they do?
वो अपना ही ले लेते हैं
They are taking themselves.
इसी के कहा जाता है
This is
अहम
called
प्रवसना है,
ahangraha
मैं भगवान
upasana.
हूँ।
If you think I am Bhagavan,
समझ में आया
do you understand?
और दूसरी क्या बताया
Second point I told.
कौन याद रखे
Bahut Ishwarava.
अरे पहले क्या होता है
Bahut Ishwarava.
हाँ?
Bahut Ishwarava.
बहुत ईश्वरवाद
Bahut Ishwaravad means
कृष्ण भी भगवान है कुछ
polytheism.
कृष्ण भी भगवान है
thinking, oh,
और
Indra is
ये
God,
देव
Krishna is
देवियां भी सब
God,
भगवान
this is demigod, this that demigod is also Bhagavan, everyone's God, he
और
is
फिर
God.
सोचते हैं, घर
So many
में
people
सब
think they keep everyone in their house.
गणेश,
Kali,
दुर्गा,
Ganesh, Durga, they have all the
सब एक
gods
आसन में बैठे थे।
in the same position, the same level.
तो ये क्या हो गया बहुत
It is
सर्वाद
called Bahut Ishwaravad, like polytheism.
घर में है कि नहीं
Do
है
you have in your house these
क्या रखा
gods?
है?
What do you have in your altar?
बहुत सर्वाद
Bahut Ishwaravad is polytheism, thinking there are many
भगवान
gods.
ईश्वर एक है
God is only one
ईश्वर
actually.
यदि एक ही है
If
तो
God is only
इतने
one,
देव-देवी को रखना
then
नहीं चाहिए।
You shouldn't have all these gods in your altar.
हाँ, किंतु लोगों की
But people,
तत्व ज्ञान के अभाव होने
they
के
don't have
नाते
enough knowledge of philosophy of the
ये लोग
scriptures.
बहुदेव की पूजा
So
आदि
they
करते
worship
हैं।
many demigods and goddesses.
तात्पर्य जो बहुदेव देवी की पूजा
Those who
आदि
worship
करते
many
हैं,
gods and goddesses,
तात्पर्य भक्ति नहीं कर
actually
रहे।
they are not doing bhakti, devotion.
वो भी क्यों भाई
Why?
दो
Because
नाव में
you cannot
दो
cross
पैर
a
रख
river
करके, दो पैर
with
रख
one
करके
leg
आप
in
कभी
each boat.
पार
You
नहीं हो
cannot
सकते।
cross a river with one leg in
एक
each
नाव
different
नाव
boat.
गया दूसरी तरफ जाएगा
Because one boat is going one direction,
और
and then
नीचे
in other
आते
direction,
नीचे आप
finally you're going to fall in the water.
जो लोग बहुत
Those who follow
सर्वाधिक
Bahut
करते हैं,
Ishwaravad
उनके भजन
polytheism,
नहीं होता है।
they are not doing bhajan and sadhana actually. Those who worship many gods.
यही समझना चाहिए।
You should understand that.
घर में अनेक है, काली है,
You have
शिव
many
है,
gods in your
दुर्गा
house.
है,
Kali,
चंडी
Shiva,
है,
Durga, Chandi.
और पता नहीं कितने कितने देव देवी के सब सृष्टि कर लेते हैं।
And people even invent, like, make up new
जो वेद
gods,
पुराण
goddesses.
शास्त्र में नहीं है, नाम भी
Even
नहीं
the
है।
names of gods which are not even the scriptures, they somehow,
सब नाम
people
कहाँ
make
से
up,
लेकर के
create some name of some demigod and start worshipping.
सकल कल्पित नाम रख लेते हैं।
Imaginary names.
तो वो समझते देव देवी के पूजा आदि अच्छी
It's not proper to worship demigods like that. Bhagavan says.
इसलिए इंद्र
That's why,
इंद्र इंद्र की मान मर्दन करने के लिए
to destroy the
इंद्र जो
pride of
अहंकार
Indra,
कर-
destroy the pride of Indra.
कि मेरे पूजा बंद कर दिया।
Because Indra was like, oh, you stopped
इंद्र
worshiping
के
me.
क्रोध कैसे आ गया?
Why did Indra was angry?
मेरे पूजा
Why was he angry?
बंद कर दिया।
oh, they stopped worshiping me.
तो इंद्र बोले जो अब चलो बचा लो बाली सब
Then Indra, he told like this about Krishna, Balisha, Agya. Like, oh, he's a boy, he's a foolish young boy. He started really calling names. Indra called Krishna names, like means insulting. But Shuddha Saraswati made the same insulted words become with another meaning, like praising Krishna. Shuddha Saraswati arranged that. Indra felt ahankar, pride, arrogance. And then he sent so many clouds and then a lot of rain. And then Krishna had to lift what? Giriraj Govardhan. He had to lift Giriraj Govardhan. Krishna lifted Giriraj for 7 days and 7 nights. Why not 8 days or 9 days? Because there's only 7 days, not an 8th day. How many days are there? Like days of the week, only 7, right? Monday to Sunday. So why 7 days? Because there are not 8 days. There are not 8 days. Only 7. Krishna was also 7 years old. When Krishna lifted Giriraj, how old was he? 7 years old. 7 years old. Krishna was 7. And then in the next year, when Krishna came to 8, when he was 8, then Krishna had given a benediction to the gopis, correct? That he would fulfill their desires. So finally in the 8th year, when he was 8, he was able to fulfill their desires and perform the Rasa Leela with them. Actually, the main thing is that the Sadhana Siddha, they had to get the association of the Nitya Siddha. They had to get the association of the Nitya Siddha gopis. They had to. They just had to. Lakshmi didn't enter Rasa Leela. Why? Because she did not want to accept the guidance of the Nitya Siddha gopis. If you're not under the guidance of the gopis, you can never attain Brajendra Nandan. Even if you do bhajan, you can never attain Brajendra Nandan. If you don't accept the guidance of the gopis, you are not going to attain Brajendra Nandan. You have to do bhajan under the guidance. The gopis, Nitya Siddha gopis like Radha Lalita Vishaka, they came directly from Bhagavan, Swarupa Shakti, so you have to do bhajan under their guidance. So bhakti is actually anugatamayi, you have to do under the guidance. You cannot do bhakti independently. Anyway, let's go downstairs, almost 7:30. She's asking. So they called the Nitya Siddha gopis in the last day. Why in the last day they came? To give the fruit or what? It's just like to finish, to make like an ending of that. To finish, to end is actually external reasons. Actually, they had to get the association of the Nitya Siddha gopis. The main thing why the Nitya Siddha came is because the Nitya Siddha had to give their association to the Sadhana Siddha gopis. And Krishna, with his excuse, he also stole their clothes and all that. Like he took the opportunity of this situation and took their clothes and also gave some teaching to the society. Teaching to the society, that's important. Otherwise, also the society will be without rules. Some people say, oh, this is my car, I can drive it any way I want. What do you, like some people say, my body, my rules. But this you cannot say like this. Some people say, my body, my rules. So Gurudeva answers like, oh, so if it's your own car, it means you can drive with your own rules. You're driving your car. But when you are in a public road driving, you have to follow the rules of that society. If you have a private road in your own, like place, and then you can drive with the car as you want it, like in an isolated place. But if you go to the public road, you have to follow the rules. For example, first of all, you must have a license. Second, you have to follow the traffic lights. If it's green or red, you have to follow that as well. Second point, belt. Belt. Okay, you have to put the seat belt. You have to follow the speed limit. For example, if it's a school zone, there's some kids playing and going and coming, crossing the street. Just like today, that young kid also. You know, like kids don't know, so those who are driving, they must be careful with the kids. Oh, it's my car, I can follow my rules. No, you cannot say that. There must be some rules. So Bhagavan makes these activities also to protect the society, giving all these rules and things like that. Vai fazer aquela pergunta, Vrindavan? Vai fazer a pergunta? Tá, eu não lembro direito. Also, Bhagavan is performing his pastimes not with ordinary women, not with women who have many anarthas. No. All these ladies, the gopis, they are actually liberated souls, like Shruti-chari, Muni-chari, Sadhanasiddha, Jyotiki, Achotiki. They've done the bhajan and sadhan many years. Shruti-chari, Muni-chari, they did bhajan and sadhan for thousands of years, chanting Gopal mantra. Then finally they got Swarup Siddhi. After attaining Swarup Siddhi, they took birth in the womb of the gopis, in the house of a gopi. Then they obtained the body of a gopi. Then they felt the abhiman, the ego of being a gopi. Abhimanam Paritaja. We have to give up the ego of being this material body. Abhiman Paritaja. To think I'm a man or I'm a woman. This kind of an ego, you have to give it up. Because we have material body, Prakrita Sarir. So actually we have this bodily conception. Depending on which kind of body you have that ego also. According to the body. It's natural. For example, you think naturally I'm a woman or I'm a man. You have this ego, isn't it? But this verse says, Abhimanam Paritaja Prakritava Paradishu. You have to give up the material conception of your body. This ego of being your body, you have to give it up. This is the hardest thing to be done. Hardest. Isn't it? To give up that, and then by the mercy of Yogamaya, you'll get the body of Gopi in Braj. Spiritual body you get. Material body has so many transformations because under the influence of the three modes of nature, Sattva, Raja and Tamaguna. The heart, the mind, so many things in the material body, material mind. But the Gopi's body is a Chinmaya body, is a transcendental body. And they also have transcendental moods, Chinmaya Bhav. So they've obtained the body of a Gopi, but they hadn't yet still had the association of the Nityas, the Gopis. That's why their Bhav was not mature yet. So their Bhav was not yet mature enough. If your Bhav is not mature enough, then you won't be able to get the mercy of Bhagavan. You have to cook sabji very well. So if you cook sabji half boiled, it's not possible to be eaten. Undercooked or overcooked, it's not possible to eat this kind of sabji, which is like not completely cooked and also not too much cooked. There was one guy who used to speak Bhagavad Katha that he spoke something very nice. he gave the example of the Africans, Indians, and the Westerners. So he was saying, like, the Africans were too much cooked. Example, like when they made the human beings, okay, Africans was like overcooked. The Westerners, like American, they are undercooked because they're like too much white. But Indians are like, you know, Indians will be like in the middle. So which kind of are you? You're the undercooked or too much cooked? The Indians are the perfectly cooked. The Indians. He was saying. Anyway, on YouTube, this guy who's speaking Bhagavad Gita, he was saying this. So overcooked, undercooked, and perfectly cooked. Perfectly cooked. What is the meaning? It's a joke. Don't take my offense, okay? It's a joke. Give up the material ego. If you have the conception of thinking you're the body, you're actually not doing bhajan. You're just imposing arupsiddha. Your mind and heart will still be affected by the three modes of nature, Sattva, Raja, and Tama. Are still stimulating and agitating your body and mind. That's why while doing bhajan slowly, you have to overcome Sattva, Raja, and Tama. You have to overcome that. When this happens, and slowly you come to the stage of Bhav. When the sadhaka comes to the stage of Bhav, it's just like a snake gives up, sheds its skin and comes out. In the same way, the sadhaka doing bhajan slowly, when he gives up this material body and comes out, he doesn't even know. That's the speciality. We think, oh, it's the same body, looks like, but it's not. Like the body becomes spiritualized. Chinmatta bhav. The body becomes spiritualized. This is asking, when does the body become spiritualized? In the stage of bhav. When you're about to reach the stage of prem. When you're in the stage of prem, on the stage of prem, your body becomes chinmatta bhav, like spiritualized. Like spiritual. In which stage again? She's asking. So the soul has an eternal nature, which is now in the shape of potency only, like it's like a subtle potency now. But by doing sadhu sangha, hearing Harikatha slowly, after going anatta nivriti, means cleaning your heart, then the nature will come out. As much as Harikatha you hearing Harikatha slowly, the Swarupa Vritti means the tendency of your soul which is in your heart, whether it's Shanta, Dasa, Sakya, Vatsalya, or Madhurya, this eternal nature will manifest. So your soul has a spontaneous nature. Try to remember to understand at least that. Your soul, Atma, has an eternal nature, tendency, inherent, innate, never changes. So you just need to awake that. Awake that. You must wake him up. So if you don't wake up the nature of your soul, eternal nature of your soul, you cannot attain that. This verse explains, wake up, take the highest treasure from the pure devotee. Path of bhakti is very sharp, like a razor blade. It's a verse from the Upanishads. This verse says, wake up and get this highest prem from the pure devotee. Now, get it. Korasadhara Nisita Durataya. The great poets and intelligent people and devotees explain that some have this material world. Material world is just sharp as a razor blade. tomorrow we're gonna use the razor blade to shave our beards. A little bit, you know, don't do properly, you get cut, you know, with the blade. In the same way, this samsara, this material world, is sharp as a razor blade. Wake up, wake up. How is this material world? It's just like so dark. Darkness. We're all in this darkness, walking in the darkness. It's very hard to overcome this material world. The path is very hard. Durgam path, full of thorns, like obstacles, hurdles, isn't it? First of all, very, very dark night. Nishita means like a very deep, dark night. It's very hard to cross or to walk in it. So what you have to do is, doing bhajan slowly, take shelter of the Guru, do bhajan slowly, slowly, then all your obstacles will automatically go away. Wake up, wake up. For how long you'll sleep more? Do you understand? Let's go all. Do bhajan. What did I say? Do bhajan. Chant holy names. Hear Harikatha. Everyone. Gurudeva, Gurudeva. Just about this Nitya Siddha Gopis and Chirghat. Vrindavana has one question. She asked me, but I couldn't answer. It's very important. It's related to the subject. Could you answer, please, Gurudev? Vrindavana Parikadidi has a question. It's related to the subject, and she asked me, but I couldn't give answer. I don't know. And please, it's related to the subject, very important subject matter, because we know there's so many other devotees that follow Katyayani Vrat, and we know of them because, you know. So what is the question, Vrindavana?
What's the meaning? You said that the sadhana siddha gopis are doing Katyayani Vrat to enter in rasa dance. My question is, what's the meaning of enter in rasa dance? They will dance directly to Krishna or just serve the Nitya Siddha Gopis?
Nitya Siddha Nitya Siddha.
She was asking if they're going to be manjaris of, no, they're going to be example manjari position of other gopis, right? Not Shrimati Radhika servant, but some servant of other gopis. Isn't it? Yes.
Directly to Krishna. It's possible a sadhana siddha meets directly to Krishna, or they just serve the other gopis?
She's asking for a sadhana siddha gopi. Is it possible to have this, not tatat bhavit chamai, sambhogit chamai bhakti? For a sadhana siddha, sadhana siddha can attain this kind of a bhav.
They can do, but under guidance of Lalita Vishakha. They can do. You understand or not?
I think I understood. I understood you said sadhana siddhas, they can attain the sambhogit chamai bhakti, but under the guidance of Lalita Vishakha.
Everybody has to practice devotional service to Radha and Krishna under guidance of Nitya Siddha Gopis. This is the main thing. Understand? Without under guidance of Nitya Siddha Gopis, you cannot attain your perfection goal. Some Gopi, they also worship Srimati Radha under guidance of Lalita. Lalita is gone. Understand? So they can go, they can serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Lalita. And some Gopi, they serve Srimati Radhika, they are under guidance of Nitya Siddha Gopi. That is called Tattat Bhavichamka Bhakti. That Gopi. Rupa Manjari. And if you want to serve to Srimati Radhika, then you have to serve under guidance of Rupa Manjari. They are called Tattat Bhavichamka Bhakti. This is the process. That is called the Manjiritva Bhava. So further division is coming in this way. Radha Nishtha, Krishna Nishtha and Ubhay Nishtha. Lalita, Visakha, they are Ubhay Nishtha. And Manjaris, they are one pointed with Srimati Radha. Lalita, Visakha, sometimes they independently meet with Krishna. But those who are Manjaris have many children. That one particular Srimati Radha. That is called Radha Pakshikam, Radha Nishtha. Everything depends on Nishtha. Nishtha with the Upajoy, Premera Taram. So this is the process. Huh? Understand or not? Not understand. Listen. Chant holy name, you understand. Sorry.
चिन्मयता जब है प्रेम दशा में
आप दशा में प्रेम दशा में पूर्णता.
Those jivas who are coming from Tatastha Shakti, so that's why they cannot go to Goloka Vrindavan, because first they need to receive Anugati of Nitya Siddha Gopi in material world, and after
those who are coming in this material world,
and those who did not come, they can go from Tatastha Shakti straight to Goloka Vrindavan.
who?
Jivas which came from Tatastha Shakti.
They can get Vaikuntha now.
Goloka Vrindavan.
No. If you want to go Golok Vrindavan, need under guidance of Brajavasis. These are things. And if you want to go Vaikuntha, let's go there. हेलो वृंदावन अभी हरिनाम करो, 1 लाख हरिनाम करो, तब कथा समझ में आएगा. 1 लाख हरिनाम करते हो कि नहीं करते? 1 लाख हरिनाम करो तब समझ में आएगा. हेलो वृंदावन.